Hi students, in last session already we discussed about dot product of vectors. In this session we have to discuss projection of a vector. So here actually projection means here suppose this is the sun. For this the sun emitted in the form of what? Rays. Okay. The sun is giving rays, okay, in the form of sun rays. This sun rays is called a projection of the sun, okay. Similarly, see the sun is giving rays, sun rays, okay. This rays is called a projection of sun. Similarly, now in our vectors, projection means here this is the AB is a one vector, this is the L is the directed line segment. So here this projection is 0 to 90 degree, this projection is 90 degree to 180 degree, this projection is 180 degree to 270 degree, this projection is 270 degree to 360 degree. Now the projection of AB bar, on a directed line segment L with an angle theta is anti-clockwise direction. The projection of AB bar on a directed line segment L with anti-clockwise direction, okay, with projection is that is magnitude of AB bar into cos theta, okay. For this projection also that is magnitude of AB bar into cos theta, okay. So and again here this is negative angle, this is first quadrant, here second quadrant, here third quadrant, here also same quadrant only, okay. So here that is the projection of AB bar is P bar on L. Here the P bar is called a projection of a vector. Similarly, so now 90 degree to 180 degree, that is projection of AB bar is on P, the projection of AB bar on L is P bar. Similarly, the projection of AB bar on L is P bar, okay. Similarly, so observe this diagram, the projection of AB bar, will be on L is P bar. Here that means the projection is P bar, here also the projection is P bar, here also the projection is P bar, here also the projection is P bar. So here the projection of AB bar on directed line segment L with an angle theta is an anti-clockwise direction is magnitude of AB bar into cos theta, okay. The projection of AB bar on L is P bar. This P bar is called projection of a vector. The P bar is called projection of a vector on a line L, okay. Now the projection is between 0 to 90 degree. So the projection is 90 degree to 180 degree. The projection is 180 degree to 270 degree. The projection is 270 degree to 360 degree. This is first quadrant, this is second quadrant, this is third quadrant, this is fourth quadrant. Projection of first quadrant, projection of second quadrant, projection of third quadrant, projection of fourth quadrant, okay. So remember students, here projection means, okay, projection means suppose which is our day star sun. The sun is giving what? In the form of rays, okay. Sun is giving light, okay, in the form of rays. That rays is called projection. Similarly, here the projection of AB bar is P bar. The projection of AB bar is P bar. The projection of AB bar is P bar on L. The projection of AB bar is P bar on L, okay. Now projection of this is the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant, okay. This is the projection of a vector, okay. Now I will move on. So observations of a projection of a vector. Next, observations of a projection of vector. Here projection of first point projection of A bar on B bar is A bar dot B bar divided by magnitude of B bar. A bar on B bar. Projection of A bar on B bar. That means this B bar will come to denominator. Okay. A bar dot B bar divided by magnitude of B bar. Next, second point. Projection of B bar on A bar. See, B bar on A bar. This A bar will come to denominator. That is A bar dot B bar divided by magnitude of A bar. Actually, A bar on B bar means, so A bar dot B bar divided by magnitude of B bar. B bar on A bar means A bar dot B bar divided by magnitude of A bar. Next, the projection will, that suppose if theta is equal to 90 degree, if theta is equal to 90 degree, the projection of AB bar is 0. The projection of AB bar is 0. Okay, because actually projection of AB bar is, that is magnitude of AB bar into cos theta will come. So now theta value is how much here? 90 degree. That means cos 90 is how much? 0. The projection of AB bar. Therefore, the projection of AB, this is C, projection. The projection of AB bar is magnitude of AB bar into cos theta. That is, if theta is equal to 90 degree, the projection of AB bar is a 0. Okay. Similarly, if theta is equal to pi, okay, if theta is equal to pi, that is the projection of AB bar will be negative. That means BA bar. Okay, so the projection of AB bar is a BA bar, because cos 90 is 0, cos 180 is, if theta is equal to pi, cos 180 is minus 1. That means negative. Okay, then opposite direction. The projection of AB bar is a BA bar. Next, fifth point. If theta is equal to 0, okay, if theta is equal to 0, AB bar, that is the projection of AB bar is AB bar itself only. AB bar itself only. Okay, so this is the observations of projection of a vector. Okay, remember students, these two are very important formulas. Okay, projection of A bar and B bar means A bar dot B bar divided by magnitude of B bar. The projection of B bar on A bar means, that is A bar dot B bar divided by magnitude of A bar. Okay, so these points are very important for CET and JEE. Okay, if theta is equal to 90 degree, the projection of AB bar is 0. Okay, if theta is equal to pi or 180 degree, the projection of AB bar will be a BA bar. Okay, if theta is equal to 0, the projection of AB bar is AB bar itself. Okay, so this is called projection of a vector. Okay, remember students, projection of A bar on B bar, one formula, projection of B bar on A bar. A bar on B bar is A bar dot B bar divided by magnitude of B bar. So B bar on A bar equal to A bar dot B bar divided by magnitude of A bar. Okay, this is about observations of projection of a vector. Next, exercise 10.3. Okay, we will discuss problems on exercise 10.3. First problem is, find the angle between two vectors A bar and B bar with magnitudes √3 and 2. A bar dot B bar is √6. That means magnitude of A bar is given, magnitude of b bar is given, a bar dot b bar is root 6. Okay, now first we have to write what is the given. Okay, that is here a bar and b bar with magnitudes is given. That means magnitude of a bar is root 3 is given. Magnitude of b bar is 2 is given. So now what is given? A bar dot b bar equal to root 6 is given. Root 6 is given. So what is not given? We have to find the angle. We have to find the angle, that is we have to find theta. Theta is question mark. To find theta, any formula is there? Is there. What is that angle between two vectors formula? Cos theta equal to a bar dot b bar divided by magnitude of a bar, magnitude of b bar. That is cos theta equal to a bar dot b bar is what? Root 6 divided by magnitude of a bar is what? Root 3. Magnitude of b bar is what? 2. Okay, that is cos theta equal to root 6. Okay, this root 6 can written as, okay, root 3 into root 2 because this is a surd. Okay, the surd, I mean this root 6 can split into root 3 into root 2 because these two surds having same order, divided by root 3 into this 2 can written as root 2 into root 2. Root 3 gets cancelled. Root 2 gets cancelled. What is remaining? Cos theta equal to 1 by root 2. If theta equal to cos inverse 1 by root 2. Cos inverse 1 by root 2 is how much? Pi by 4. Theta equal to pi by 4. This is your answer for question number 1. Find the angle between two vectors, that is a bar and b bar having magnitudes is root 3 and 2. A bar dot b bar is root 6. So what is given? First you have to write separately one column, and what is not given you have to write. Okay, to find out that any formula is there you have to search. So magnitude of a bar is given, magnitude of b bar is given. A bar dot b bar is root 6. So what do you want to find out? Theta. Okay, what is the formula? Cos theta equal to a bar dot b bar divided by magnitude of a bar, magnitude of b bar. Okay, substitute these values in your formula and simplify. You will get cos theta is equal to 1 by root 2. Theta is equal to cos inverse 1 by root 2. Theta equal to pi by 4. Now come to second question. Second question. Find the angle between I cap minus 2j cap plus 3k cap and 3i cap minus 2j cap plus k cap. This one I will consider as a bar. This one I will consider as b bar. That is a bar equal to I cap minus 2j cap plus 3k cap. So b bar equal to 3i cap minus 2j cap plus k cap. Now I want to find angle between these two vectors. What is the formula? Cos theta equal to a bar dot b bar divided by magnitude of a bar, magnitude of b bar. So what is a bar? Substitute I cap minus 2j cap plus 3k cap dot. So b bar is 3i cap minus 2j cap plus k cap divided by magnitude of a bar, that is square root of 1 plus 4 plus 9. Magnitude of b bar 9 plus 4 plus 1. Okay, that is cos theta equal to, see, when you will take dot product, you have to multiplication, you have to do multiply I coefficients, j coefficients, k coefficients. See, 3 ones are, here I coefficient is how much? 1. Here I coefficient is how much? 3. 3 ones are 3, I dot I 1, J dot J 1, K dot K 1, I dot J 0, J dot K 0, K dot I 0. Okay, here unit vectors are mutually perpendicular to each other, means that is I dot I 1. Okay, see, 3 ones are 3, I dot I is 1. Okay, that is minus into minus plus, 2 2s are 4, J dot J is 1. Anything into 1 is anything only. Plus into plus plus, 3 1s are 3, K dot K is 1. Divide by 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 4 is 14, root 14. Okay, next, that is 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 4 is root 14. So here the 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10, that is 10 divided by root 14 into root 14, root 14 whole square. Square or square root cancel. What is remaining? Cos theta equal to 10 by 14. 2 5s are 2 7s are. So what do you want? Theta equals to cos inverse of 5 by 7. So this 5 by 7, there is no exact angle. Okay, so this, I mean this one as it is, you have to keep the answer. Theta is equal to cos inverse 5 by 7. Okay, so this is a solution for second problem. Now come to third problem. So come to third problem. That means find the projection of I cap minus j cap on I cap plus j cap. See, other students, find the projection of I cap minus j cap on I cap plus j cap. So like this they given, means you have to consider this one A bar, this one B bar, or this one B bar, or this one A bar. For my convenience, I will take this is A bar, this is B bar. Now, so A bar is I cap minus j cap. B bar is I cap plus j cap. So now they given A bar on B bar. That is projection of A bar on B bar is A bar dot B bar divided by magnitude of B bar. This is the formula for A bar on B bar. A bar on B bar formula is A bar dot B bar divided by magnitude of B bar. That is, what is A bar? I cap minus j cap dot what is B bar? I cap plus j cap divided by magnitude of B bar is square root of 1 plus 1. See, that is here I coefficient is 1, I coefficient is 1. 1 into 1, 1. Plus into minus, minus. J coefficient is 1, J coefficient is 1. That is 1 ones are 1. Divided by root 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 divided by root 2 is 0. 0 by anything is 0, but anything by 0 is not defined. Don't confuse. Okay, 0 by anything is 0, but anything by 0 is not defined. Now projection of A bar on B bar is 0. Okay, the projection is 0. This problem is very important for 2 marks. Okay, now we will move on next problem. Come to problem number 4. Problem number 4 is find the projection of the vector. A bar is given I cap plus 3j cap plus 7k cap, and B bar is given B bar equal to 7i cap minus j cap plus 8k cap. This is the projection. Question is find the projection of A bar on B bar. A bar on B bar. Now come to projection of A bar on B bar is A bar dot B bar divided by magnitude of B bar. What is A bar? I cap plus 3j cap plus 7k cap dot what is B bar? 7i cap minus j cap plus 8k cap divided by magnitude of B bar, that is square root of 49 plus 1 plus 64. Now take the dot product, that is 7 ones are 7. I mean minus into plus minus, 3 ones are 3, plus into plus plus, 7 eights are 56 divided by, that is observe students here, 49 plus 1 is 50, 50 plus 64 is 114, that is root 14. So that means here 56 plus 7 is 63, 63 minus 3 is 60, 60 divided by root 114. This is the projection of A bar on B bar, A bar on B bar. Okay, that means A bar is I cap plus 3j cap plus 7k cap, B bar is 7i cap minus j cap plus 8k cap. A bar and B bar is A bar dot B bar divided by magnitude of B bar. Substitute A bar, substitute B bar and find the magnitude of B bar, and simplifying you will get 60 divided by root 114. Now I am concluding the class. Thank you everyone.